Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. This month was my choice for the Diecast Mafia, and I chose drag cars. Check out the other members of the Diecast Mafia. That's Matchbox Mark, 2A HD Cat, and Leo's Diecast Garage. I started with this early models or early 70s Gran Torino because it had kind of a swoopy look to it that would be great for a drag car. This one came, it was all, looked like it'd been dipped in maple syrup. Somebody had scraped all the paint off of it and then tried to color it back in with a magic marker. I decided to remove the front end, which my jeweler saw. Mark you some tape across the line that you want. Just follow that tape with your saw. Of course, after you remove the front, you got to put a firewall back in it. So I traced out a piece of styrene and glued it in. And I tapped the hole for my 256 button head screw. Got to put it back together sometime. Use my big hand. The tires I chose, I wanted to fit up underneath the rear end, so I had to clean out the wheel wells a little bit. Here's my axle tube. The little notches cut into it to apply the glue. Like I said earlier, this thing looked like it ran through a maple syrup plant. So I needed some good hot soapy water to scrub all that brownish gooey sticky stuff off. Sorry for the big ugly fingers in the way, but I'm gluing the axle tube into place. A little super glue. Top it off with some baking soda. after I got the windshield scrubbed of its gook. Dipped it in the pledge. Not forgetting to dab it off. Covered it, keep the dust off. Here I am using a rapid burr to thin out the inside so the tires didn't drag. Here's the rough look. Added this roll bar in, but you won't see it in the final reveal because the slope of the roof, no matter how far I pushed it thing down, it wouldn't clear the roof unless I got it down to the top of the seat. That's not a functioning roll bar. So I just took it out. I also took out the passenger seat. Primer on it. Here we've got the base coat going on. I went with a dark green metallic pearl. Here's all our pieces ready for reassembly. What we started with, early model 70s Gran Torino by Hot Wheels. Like I said earlier, somebody had sanded or scraped all the paint off of it and tried to color it back in with a red magic marker before I guess they gave up. Here's what we ended up with. Hot Wheels Gran Torino drag car. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out Matchbox Mark, 2A HD Cat, and Leo's Diecast Garage, the other members of the Diecast Mafia. For now, this is OPA and Momo in the background there saying goodbye. See you at the track.